Alright guys, so we in Infiniti G37. Let's turn on and let's see, door, and not what I wanted to show you guys. Nope, not that. You can see this sign that says battery, right? So it means remote in the battery in the key knob is not good, so it's getting low. So means this guy need battery and this should be replaced. So yeah, let's see if we have battery for replacement and go from there. Alright, we are back here. So I got the battery itself. So I believe it should be, at least it's only I have CR2032. It's pretty common for other stuff that you might use at home. So hopefully it will work with our key knob. So let's open up. If you don't know, you have physical key here. So let's put it aside. And we need to crack this open. I will use flat a screwdriver to actually lift it and open. Now if you can see, let me move it maybe here, more light. So I already started and it's relatively easy to open. Lift it from both sides and let's open up. Oh, it's relatively clear. And here's our battery. Let's see what we have inside. You can lift from also another side, as you can see this round, and we have access from here. Lift it. Here we go, and moment of truth. What we have? 2032, and it was Energizer. And in my case, I have two sets. One of them I remember from IKEA, as you can see. So yeah, over the years it should still be good. So let me open, got one party out, okay, and let's snap the same way. So you see numbers goes down, so you go on this way, right side, and snap it back, okay, and let's put it back again. So I guess it shouldn't matter what side we use. Almost probably clean a little bit, give me a second. A little bit white, but just in case, and yeah, let's snap it back. Doesn't matter, I will start from this corner. Oops, it fell off, the whole board fell off. Let's check what's happening on that side. It's basically buttons, as you can see here. Let's put them back as they were. Battery again here, nicely fitted. Sit there, and we will snap this back. Motherboard is good. Alright, and it's on. It's kind of loosey. Let me close this one. Now loosiness is came off. Okay, good. So let me put the focus back. Come on. So we got it. So yeah, it was loosey when I got the keys back out, but usually you don't have this situation. Okay, let's go back to the car and check if it helped. Alright, we're back in the car with replaced battery. Let me start it. Let's see what's happened. Nice! Nothing happened as should be. Yeah, not seat belted, only warning sign as they are gone. So we successfully replaced it, and again, it was Infiniti G37, and it's pretty similar procedure for all other Nissans and Infinitis. And with Infiniti G37 specifically, it was CR at 2032 battery. I will put link in the description if you're curious, if you have the same problem. So yeah, save yourself some buck and hassle and replace by yourself. Yeah, thank you for watching guys, and see you next one. Bye.